All right, you guys. So I'm going to show you some of the things that we're going to be doing with the Harry Potter Book Club. I'm going to give you a document similar to this. What you're going to see is here are going to be the audiobook, which helps you listen to the Harry Potter books chapter by chapter. The ebook is where you can change the pages just like an actual book. It's an electronic book. The PDF is the document downloaded. You can read it. It just comes as one straight PDF of pages. Notice that I have these different covers here. This is the United States cover, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, which is book 1. These are the English covers, and in England they had a different cover and a different title. The actual title of the book is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So you see these two covers here, but Scholastic thought they should change it for the United States audience because Philosopher's Stone would be a little bit, I guess maybe not as attractive to United States audiences. This is me as Harry Potter, and here's my email if you want to email me about anything. So let me go through the document. First, it's going to have chapter 1. It has a question, and it says, why do you think Dumbledore decided to have Harry grow up with the Dursleys instead of another wizard family? And then you can either type in your answer here, or I'm going to put a Flipgrid code that you can do a Flipgrid and answer. And the next one is, here's more. Tell me about your favorite part of the chapter. You can also tell me about what you thought about the Dursleys. So these two things can be answered on that same Flipgrid. And then as extra, you can draw a picture of one of your favorite characters and show me in the Flipgrid, which I think that would be cool. You can draw, you'll see that there's some characters like Dumbledore, oh my gosh, Hagrid and Minerva McGonagall, which will appear, and the Dursleys, which will appear in chapter 1. And you can draw that and put it in the Flipgrid, or you can draw it and insert a picture here. I'm also going to send you chapter 2, which looks like this. It also has the same books here that you can look at. You can answer here on the Flipgrid, and it's going to be about Harry and Dudley. You're going to compare them, their character traits. So Harry Potter, I gave you an example, treated poorly by his Aunt Petunia, Uncle Vernon, and cousin Dudley. Dudley Dursley, spoiled by his parents Petunia and Vernon Dursley. And then you can put more things at the bottom, like maybe you could put has a lightning bolt on his forehead. And then this one you can describe Dudley as, what some of his traits, maybe just even physical traits, like what they look like. The next question says, how do you think the author J.K. Rowling wants you to feel about the character of Harry Potter after reading this chapter? So you can answer here or answer on the Flipgrid code that I'm going to put you. Each chapter is going to have its own Flipgrid code. Anyways, so if you have any questions, you can comment in the Google Classroom, or you can give them to me in the Flipgrid, or you can also email me at msjuarez@lbschools.net. All right, let's get our book club going.